Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not Into Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Umshik box. So this is their snack box. They do have also a Ramyun box, which is like different noodles and things like that. So I'm going to go breaking this down in prices. So they have, not only do they have monthly snack boxes, they also have seasonal boxes for both the Ramyun and the snacks. So this is their snack box, the monthly one. These are $44.95 for this, and then the Ramyun, and that's for either the seasonal or the monthly. So you can go quarterly or you can go monthly. The Ramyun is $34.95. Okay, this is 3 to 4 pounds of snacks, which is amazing. It's all Korean snacks, if I didn't say that. The Ramyun has 7 to 10 different noodles in it. So there's the explanation on that. This is the box. It's huge. It's like a big giant box. We're going to open it up and see what's inside. All right. How cute. How cute is this? I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right. And then right on the top, we have some K-pop bands, little cards. They're like little tags, though. They say to and from on the back, so you can use them as like little gift tags. How cute. I like it. All right. Then here you go. Let's open it up. Right here we have your Umshik boxes here, and I'm going to guess that inside they're going to tell us what we received. Springtime. Our April snack box highlights all of those things that remind us of things done in the warm weather to come. We long for nice weather, fresh fruit, street food eaten on the way to the park. How about you? So, and then it goes through each of the items we received. I'm going to link down below to my full review if you're interested in reading that. I'm also going to link to Umshik box so you can check them out too. But for right now, let's just do a fun little, I should have done a tasting review, but I didn't even think to do it. I haven't done one of those in a while. So right on top, we have a green tea ultra hydrating essence mask. So this is from Ekel. There is a whole like information page here about this. Most regular K-drama viewers have seen actors and actresses use Korean face masks. The whole Umshik box team uses them regularly as well. So we thought that this month we would include one for you to try. Simply unfold the mask, gently apply it to your clean face, and wait 20 to 30 minutes for the product to soak in. Then remove and toss after a selfie, of course. There it is. So that's cool. Some skincare. You guys know I love me some skincare. All right. First we have mini churros. Totally love these things. I've had these before. I think these taste like French toast. They're so delicious. So, so, so delicious. All right. Then we've got, ooh, I don't know what this is. We'll read through the pamphlet at the end to kind of like go through what is included. They look like little chips, and they're seafood like gumbo flavored. I love like the chef kind of one. Okay. Ooh, so there is noodles. This is non-fried noodle soup made with dried anchovy broth. This is from Nongshim. Anchovy kalguksu. No MSG added. So they feel like noodles. So this is going to be one of those ones you heat up the noodles and then you add your little packet. Ta-da! I love these, by the way. I love those. I don't even care. I love them. All right. This is a Chilsung cider. Pure, clear, caffeine-free. What is it, though? Is it like a soda? Is it like a... This is from Lotte. We're going to have to read the little pamphlet to find out what all this stuff is. All right. Then we've got Dr. U Digit Whole Wheat. Are these like digestive biscuits? It feels and kind of seems like it. So there's 2 packets of these. It feels like there's like 3 or 4 cookies in these. Oh my gosh, there is so much in here. Holy guacamole. Look at that. All right. This is Choco Pick. These are going to be like the little, the sticks with the chocolate on them. These are so good. My kids will eat these. I'll probably give these to my kids. I'm just telling you right now. All right, next we have... Got interrupted. So next we have from Lotte. These look like little waffles. Be my waffle mate. Be my soulmate. Look how cute. Oh my god, aren't they cute? All right, then there are some little hard candies down here. They look, I don't know. Is that a cherry? I think that's a cherry, right? Yeah, I think that's a cherry. All right, we've got some crackers. Bell pepper and onion flavored crackers. These are right there. So they're in like a, this is like a disc thing. Then we've got something peanut butter flavor. They look like little peanut butter like sticks. T-O-N-C peanut 1P. That's what it says in the back. I don't know. We're going to have to look at our pamphlet again for those. Some more little hard candies down here. These look like they might be grape flavored. There's 3 of these in addition to our... Alright, so these I've had. These are so good. They're like little fruit cookies. They're totally tasty. I love them. They're from... I don't know. Doesn't say. Alright, another cherry hard candy. And then we have, look at these. So first we have little sandwich cookies. So these are from Crown, real grain sand. And that's what they look like right there. And then this is, ooh, I don't know. Are these like corn? It kind of looks like corn, right? I don't know. All right, let's look through the pamphlet real quick. Help us. All right, so the grand shell cookie, I said about those are the little fruit cakes. Soft cake with blueberry filling. The waffle meat was a little delightful little box of mini waffles. Try them plain or topped with something fun. Choco Pick. Oh, those are the little chocolate cookies. Green grape candies. That's these guys right here. Spicy crab crackers. That's this. Oh, no, not you. This guy right here. You know that spicy seafood ramen that you love so much. This is it as a chip. And then the sandwich cookies. That's a healthier. Where'd they go now? Oh, Lord. Where'd I put them? Oh, here they are. All right, so these are a healthier version of the classic sand cookie made with whole grains. The cider is crisp carbonated lemon lime flavored beverage. Mini churros, we know all about those. Red ginseng jelly candies infused with Korean. Oh, that's the looks like it's corn. Oh, Ashley, you are such a hot mess. Right here, these are jelly candies. The cherry is actually plum candy. What we said was a cherry. And then the chocolate cookies are made with 10% whole grains. They're chocolate flavored though. And then the Oma says it doesn't count as a serving of vegetables. The rest of the team though thinks it does. That is for these. That is everything we received in our Umshik box. If you're interested in checking out the full review below, I'll link to that. I'll also link to my 2 Umshik box if you want to check them out as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.